Okay, 1968 280 SL Mercedes. Had a complete restoration. I think quite a few years back, but it's been beautifully maintained. Former Keels and Wheels show winner, and I believe it's about to become another Keels and Wheels show winner. We'll just let the car speak for itself. I did one of my show prep details on this car. I think it came out real well. A little shot of the interior. And let's take a look at the engine compartment. Okay. Fully restored, of course. All right. Been a real pleasure working on this little car. They're so beautiful. One of Mercedes' most beautiful designs. They're kind of known for this era being real conservative, but this one really hit the mark. It's a timeless car. Love it.